Welcome back to another edition of Juice of a J. Before I go any further, guys, please do me a huge favor. Hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Even the bell notification so you can know every time a video drops. Anyway, guys, I just completed a project that I've had on hold for almost a year. I purchased the drip irrigation about a year ago. I just never had the chance to install it because the beds were always filled with all kinds of different things that I was growing throughout the year. So finally I had the opportunity to install the full irrigation system. And if you guys have installed an irrigation system before, probably might need your help with this. The beginning of the beds have the most pressure, and towards the end of the bed there is no pressure pretty much going out through the lines. If you have any suggestions for me on that, let me know what I can do to help the pressure to get to the end of the line. I only have 4.5 beds. I felt that the pressure should have been able to go all the way to the end, but I'll show you guys an example of what I mean by the pressure. So the first 3 beds have excellent pressure, and then as it tapers off, the pressure just decreases all the way. So as I put the pressure up on the faucet, it starts to just leak out water. It's like going everywhere. So I don't want to waste water. The project is to save water, so I don't want to waste water. So if you guys have any suggestions on how I could fix that or put a little bit more pressure onto the system, please leave a comment below, and then I'll go from there. I'll take all suggestions at this point. But let me show you guys exactly what it is that I'm talking about. Not a sponsored video, but I would like to thank Rainpoint for this device right here. So I'm gonna do it manually, but this allows me to do it through Bluetooth. So I'm gonna activate it manually. And as you can see, I have pressure there, good pressure there. That's the first bed. Second bed, I have good pressure there. Decent pressure right there. Nice good pressure right there. And then this is where the decline starts. This is a pepper pot, and I've tried to adjust it. Still nothing there. So that's kind of the end of where my pressure is. So I haven't completed it all the way, but this is the line going through the cabbage, going through the green onions, through some squash, around the dragon fruit, and back into my tomato and other peppers right here. But see, absolutely no pressure. All right, so that's the dilemma that I'm facing right now, but a little drip is still good. Anyway, guys, if you have had this problem, or if you can help me with this, just go ahead, drop a comment down below, and then I'll go from there. And I'll give you an example of what I mean by the water is spraying out. I don't know if you can see that, but the water is coming out from right here. So I tried to do that, but I need a permanent fix. So as soon as I let it go, that's what happens. All right, so I'm shutting it off. All right, guys, you know the motto on the page, and if you don't, each one teach one. I'm hoping to learn something from you guys today. Post a comment. Let me know what I can do to fix this problem. Really trying to get this bed fully automated. All right, you know the motto, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.